What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter element for your Harley-Davidson. Let's get started. 5/16. There we go. And the cover will just come right off. Just like that. Disconnect the breather hose gently. There. There you go. And the air cleaner will just come right off. La voila. Okay, so let's crack open the new one. There we go. You can actually compare the old one and the new one. Yeah, the old one is pretty dirty, huh? Yeah, it's time to replace, so let's just go ahead and install this. The tightening torque here is 40 to 60 inch-pounds of torque. That's roughly about 4.5 to 6.8 Newton meters. I'm just gonna go with 5.5 Newton meters. Let's put these bleeder hoses back on. Just like that. There you go. Then that goes right in there. And the cover, the screw goes there. So the tightening torque here is 36 to 60 inch-pounds of torque. That's roughly about 4.1 to 6.8 Newton meters. I am once again going with 5.5 Newton meters. Alright, that's it. All finished. It's a real easy maintenance. It can be done in like 10-15 minutes. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.